Hey guys, how's it going, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you the grappling hook my dad and I made when we moved into the house. And I'm going to be telling you how you can make it for very cheap or free, depending on what materials you have laying around. But for my dad and I, it just took probably a good half an hour to make it. And it was free since we had all the materials. So yeah, let's get into it. What we did is we got these 3 pieces of V-ball, and we cut it to length however big we wanted it. We decided that the best way to bend the rebar is to get 2 pipes, put one on one side, one on the other. Put something heavy on the one side. With us, we just put the blade of the excavator on the one pipe, but you can use anything that's heavy to hold down the one pipe. And another pipe we just grabbed, lifted it up halfway so it was bent in a 90-degree angle like that. And then we bent it some more with our foot and got all of them as close as we can to this kind of bend. Once we had 3 of them, we welded this. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. That's kind of focused. There we go. We welded it. As you can see, we weren't wonderful at welding it, but we did get the grinder and the wire brush up all over the rebar because it was rusty because it was sitting outside, and we got a pretty solid weld on it. It's not beautiful, but you could always put something like a PVC pipe and melt it on, or just wrap it in electrical tape like this stuff from Home Depot that I have sitting over there in the background. So yeah, we also welded an eye bolt that we had laying around in the shop onto the end, as you can see. Just welded it on, tied a knot. It doesn't really matter what kind of knot you put as long as it's a nice, strong, and secure knot. And this is all the rope that we have on it. It's a large sum of rope. But yeah, so that's about it. That's all you have to do for this project. I'm kind of leaving it loose-ended so that you guys can kind of use your imaginations. And I just wanted to say that the most expensive thing you're going to need for this is a welder. So I'll put a picture up on the screen right now of the welder we have, just so you can get an idea. It's from Harbor Freight. Pretty inexpensive, but it was still expensive since it was a welder. But yeah, if you guys want to see a more detailed video on this, just let me know, and I'll be happy to make like a tutorial video, make another one of these. But I don't really see a point on making another one if this video doesn't get, like, you know, likes or like comments of people saying that they want to see this video happen. So I hope you guys did like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.